All right, do you want to, let's look at what we got. Okay, we got dyes down here. Chocolate chips is your secret ingredient. White icing, white cake. I got chocolate and strawberries.
So guys, we're at Mel's house. And let me get my stuff because I need to get it. Hi! So we got the cake batter. Got my frosting right here. See? This means that I'm winning.
Why does that mean you're winning?
Because look at it. Look at his expression.
It is surprised. It's surprised by how good the cake is about to be.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, look at that.
I am totally being mad right now.
You think it does look pretty good, but look at mine. It's so chocolatey.
You gotta hold it with clean hands, people. And I have clean hands.
Ooh.
She has one layer, guys. One layer. Like who wants one layer on their cake? Yeah, mine is looking pretty better.
Just the winning cake over here. Chocolate base. I'm adding some strawberries on top. Doesn't that look good?
So guys, comment down below if you think mine or hers is better. I think mine. Because mine will take like delicious, and I know that you guys can't taste it, but it's super good.
Take a look at
I
mine.
think I really like it, but you know, like the texture, it's like too soft.
Too soft, huh? All right, let me take a bite. All right, it's definitely messy. That's for sure. Look at that. Oh, is this my piece? Whoa, okay. Thank you. Looks great. All right, everyone. I hate to admit it, but Zai's cake is delicious and beautiful. Observe.
See,
It's good.
it's soft and
Mm-hmm.
it's like 2 layers.
Mm-hmm. 2 layers. It's a good move.
I want to eat this all night.
No. We would both die.